What's happening right now, Imara?
Let's go. Welcome to Trading HD. Very interesting chart that we have right here. Year-to-date percentage, more or less 720%. This is insane. What do you think about it, guys? Remember to subscribe, read the disclaimer right here, and let's get started.
This is absolutely inhumane. The cryptocurrency industry is absolutely nuts. The performances are. This is for another world. I mean, 700% in a year. Is like. I think Solana has more than 1000%, and that's the only crypto with a huge market cap above that number. So obviously something is happening here. Remember that this company is engaging in mining cryptocurrencies with a focus in the blockchain ecosystem. So obviously there is completely related to the crypto industry. And the key question here, as always, is what do you think? Will this uptrend continue?
Let us know below in the comments, and let's talk about the earnings, because it was very interesting to notice these last earnings were positive, and also we had a positive earnings release during 2021 in May. We have both movements right here in the chart. The first one was this type of uptrend. Let's see the percentage that it happened from that day, because it started to go lower, very interesting, more or less 25%. And from there, it went up to almost $84, very interesting, with more than 200% to the upside. But this time was completely different, maybe because the price was way lower. We were near, well, not previous lows, because this stock was trading very, very low during 2019, but it was a lower price. And from there, we had this skyrocket movement. Let's see the exact percentage of almost, 240% right now. Very similar to the last one. It already surpassed that last movement, and in my opinion this is more vertical. In the past you can see we had this kind of corrections to the downside and type of retests, and from there it will continue to go higher, but this time is completely vertical. So what do you think, guys? Do you think there is similarities between these both movements, or do you think this time is completely different?
Yeah, look at that. This is absolutely nice. We were trading in November 2021 with a market cap similar that is today. And look at that. Look at what happened in that particular month. It went down minus 96%. Would you hold like a stock in minus 96%? That's a lot of volatility right there.
Exactly. It's, as usual, this is completely insane to notice that minus 96%, then plus 200%. It's like you see those numbers and you think, wow, there are a lot of opportunities in this stock. And indeed you have them, but you have to you need that skill and that ability to catch that movements, and also to hold during the exact moment, because if you hold it for too long, you lose all the profits. If you buy it too early, you don't get them. So very interesting to analyze this. I think this is a very difficult stock to trade, in my opinion. I think you need a lot of skill right here, and also trading psychology would be key, and of course risk management, because the volatility right now is insane.
Yeah, something that I would highlight right here is look at the earnings back in March 2021, before the rally that we experienced right there. It was like a positive results of 83 million. And then the following results are also almost all negative, except the last one, the last one of the September 2023, completely positive, similar to those. And the stock is doing not exactly, but the uptrend that we experienced back in 2021 is like more than 300%. And right now it's going up, not in the same way, but obviously it's going up because they are seeing that they have positive results and net income.
Yeah, exactly. Those earnings are, something that people were waiting for. And you normally tend to expect like the stock could go higher when you see better results, and obviously when they enter like in positive territory. I think it's like a shift in the landscape of a company. But in this case, wow, this uptrend, maybe this is also due to the hype with the crypto market, with that last rally, as you mentioned also earlier. But personally, I don't know if this is something normal that will be sustained during these next months, or maybe this will just correct. What do you think, guys? I want all the information that you have about this stock. Let us know below in the comments. All the technical analysis that you have, all the fundamental analysis that you know. If you can share it with us, we always are grateful for it, and all our subscribers will be also.
Let's take a look at the indicators, because right now it should be completely nuts, and let's take a look at it. And yeah, look at the RSIs. I mean, RSI not, but on the moving averages, all the moving averages, the 10 moving averages, the 20 moving averages, 30, 50, 100, everything is like a buy. It's signaling a buy. That's just absolutely nuts. And this is just an example of what when the upturn is unstoppable, you can see like they start with the 10 and the 20, and then it goes to the larger longer terms of these moving averages.
Yeah, exactly. You have that vertical line, and also the oscillators. It's like the opposite, because obviously the price is higher. The oscillator indicators will indicate that the stock is overbought or on overbought territory, and you have that kind of contrast. So you have both tools saying two complete different things, and sometimes trading is like that. The best opportunities are caught only by those traders that have the skills and the right mindset to do it.
Yeah, I would say the moving averages, they are made to follow trends, which is the example. This is like a huge uptrend, and oscillators, they try to catch the opportunity. Like an undervalued thing or something like that. It depends on the strategy, because right now we are in overbought territory, so they are trying to catch the opportunity of selling short, and the opposite happens when you have a stock going down again and again and again.
Exactly. Very interesting to analyze, that difference between both types of indicators. And if you are interested in these guys, we can make some videos going deeper in these type of indicators, explaining them a little bit more with more examples in the past, because we have very interesting charts that we can analyze, because sometimes it's like the past of the market is kind of forgotten. And right there we have like similar experiences that could repeat in the future. And if you catch them if you imagine catching them in the past and you apply that in the present, maybe you can get incredible opportunities as with this stock, because maybe someone was prepared to buy it during November or October and got this huge percentage to the upside, with a good risk management strategy. We are not there, but if you know someone who did it, let us know below in the comments, because we are happy for him or her. And thanks for watching, guys. Remember to watch the next video right here. Remember to subscribe. Thank you very much.
Bye bye.
Have a nice weekend.